Imagineland!
Hey, Roley!
Hello!
Thanks for joining me today.
That's okay.
We have seen your story. You really are a champion.
I am.
So, what made you fall in love with rolling?
Well, one day I was standing on the top of a hill when I had the idea that it would be fun to have a go at rolling all the way to the bottom of it. I thought if I did a good job, I could make a sport out of rolling down hills.
Did you always believe you could be a champion?
Well, with lots of practice, we can all be champions.
Would you like to compete in a competition one day?
Well, I'm the current champion in my own backyard, but I'm training on bigger hills. One day, I could even roll in the World Championships. I'll just keep on practicing.
You're right, Roley. With practice, we can all be champions.
Fuzzy Wuzzy loves having friends like you. Don't forget to subscribe so we can explore again soon.
Search for Explore Imagineland on YouTube.